cannot grow Nigerian economy with taxation. You cannot grow Nigerian economy with taxation. Even today, the governors are sitting in the comfort zone of their own without thinking how to generate internal revenue. But they come to federal capital territory and pass the money to pay wages becomes a problem. To pay salary becomes a problem. To pay gratuity becomes a problem. Comrade, this is a glorious cause. All Nigerians, not only the organized labor, because we did not want government to power in order for them to suppress us with taxation. How will you tax a man in electricity that he never used and you are allowing him to pay for it? A lot of people have paid for prepaid medicine for almost 1 year. They refuse to be. They depend so much on what they call estimated billing. Why do I have to pay? If I leave my house for 1 month and I off all the appliances only to return and to be taxed, is it wise? No. Is it acceptable? No. We jointly say no to this. That is why today, NLC and CUC, we are united for this cause. Because the people united can never be defeated. The people united can never be defeated. The people united can never be defeated. I'm happy today. They have gathered all the police in the world to police us. The police have also realized that we are not troublemakers. Because most of them in the barracks, they don't even have light. And they are paying for it. If they are looking for who owns NEPA, I think it is government that owes them much. That is why Finland over 940 billion was estimated to be owed. That is enough to run the NEPA. Government should be able to pay for what they consume. They should not pass the bulk of the tax to the masses. Let the masses breathe. Let the masses breathe. Today we are sending this signal for you to know that the poor must breathe. And we are sending signal to National Assembly, whether senators or House of Rep members, for whosoever contemplate that is going to amass the masses. When the forces of the masses will rise against them, they will be running helter-skelter. Enough is enough. They are contemplating bringing in another bill to bring labor into concurrence. This is a signal to them that they dare not try it. The 9 Assembly tried it and they failed. Today we are sending signal to National Assembly and any senator that will contemplate it directly and indirectly to take labor matters out of exclusive legislation. He will meet us at the point of his exit. The labor movement is available to assist them in telling them how to improve the power situation in Nigeria. Unknown to you all, Mandela has the capacity to give Nigeria 3,600 million only. And it is what we are calling in the present day. Unfortunately, again,
Hello? The man is talking now. Labour president. Okay, no worry. Okay.
The first plant in South Africa under ESCOM generates about 2,000 megawatts. Nigeria has under for us to generate power. In a country where inflation is rising high, even the foreign currency is getting down, NERC have to tell to know that things are difficult. NERC will change their own policy of increasing tariffs. On non-some of us here, what they have done now, they have created inflation. They will still go back. Well, because of inflation, which takes place. And you see how people are benefiting. So, comrades, we are here to make this statement clear. But we are not just saying don't increase salary, don't increase salary. You can't increase salary for nothing. Nigeria should work with the movement, labor movement, to see how we can improve the power being generated today. And if that is done, there will be availability. And the next one is there should be availability before you have accessibility, before you have affordability. Any commodity that is not available cannot be affordable. That is where we are today. Nigerians are talking with one mind that this country cannot survive on 4,000 megawatts. For over 20 years, nothing has happened. We need to work together with all the agencies concerned. Rather than going to the state of economy, to attack the labor movement, let us meet together, let us gather together and see how we can improve this country. If there is no power plant to be brought into the grid by next year, we will still be on 4,000 megawatts. If there is none to come in by next 2 years, and here we remain on the next 4,000 megawatts. Even the next 3 years, even the next 4 years, we challenge men and the power to tell us the power plant they want to commission this year. Let them tell Nigerians the power plant they want to commission next year. Let them tell Nigerians the power they want to commission next year. The one they want to commission next year. The one they want to commission next 4 years. If not, there will be no improvement. It is not by magic. You can't say let there be power and there will be power. Nigerian government, Nigerian people, the private sector, individuals should face the fact today that if you are not building a power plant today, and that the gestation period of building a power plant is about 3 years. If you are not building anyone today, there is no one you can commission in the next 3 years. We are not here for drama. We have come here to make a statement. People were asking me how long can we maintain this picketing. This picketing, we are here, we have made our statement. We touch other areas. TCN, DISCO, and Minister of Power, centrally and together with TCN, to make the same statement. We are not here to fight anybody. But we are the people paying, and we can tell you that it is fighting us. The regime of tax is getting too much. In Nigeria today, let's first of all commend the president for suspending the cybercrime tax. However, we want him to abolish it. When you suspend something, you can recall it tomorrow. We want him to abolish it in time. In Nigeria, there is Okada tax. Before you want to carry it money, you will not collect from you. There is wheelbarrow tax. And you hear me? There is radio tax. There is television tax. There is pure water tax. There is vegetable tax. There is sand tax. There is photo tax. From here to here, you see the government is there and there. They are all tax. Market woman. There is market woman tax. When you open your shop in the morning, you go pay. So, are you hearing me? The tax are too much. The tax are more than our enemy. So we can't continue this way. There is a policy for all the taxable items to be reviewed. This one is considered environmental authority. Very soon, we are going to pay a constitution to them. Government have been alive. We can't tax our housing allowance. If you do it, you want us to live under the tree. You can't tax our transport allowance. If you do it, you want us to stay to work. You can't tax our medical allowance. If you do it, you are telling us that when we are sick, we will die. Government taxes are so and it is only the worker that is paying tax. The worker from Spain, where is paying, and that are paying and salary, that is only a goal, you don't have to pay. Corporate Nigeria, They are giving them tax waivers. Are you hearing me? They are giving them their import waivers. So Congress, we need to re-examine all this for this country and for the betterment of the workers.